guys, thanks for finding my channel again. Today we're going to be doing an easy look with the Tartelette palette. This is the original Tartelette palette from Tarte, obviously. And we're going to do a look that basically anyone can do at any level. I mean, it's so easy, I can do it. So we're just going to take a peek at this first thing. It's lots of pinks and like purple plummy shades and mostly nudes. So first, with a blending eye brush from e.l.f., we're going to go into the second shade on the top row, which is called Force of Nature, and we're going to put that straight into the crease, first thing. Now these are all matte shadows, which is great for anyone. Matte looks good on anyone, no matter how old you are. And they're really, really super creamy. And honestly, the palette smells a little vanilla-ish if you're into that kind of thing. So it's really overall a great palette. I would recommend it for anyone. I don't have the In Bloom or the Toasted palette to compare it to, but I really, really like this one, and those might be something I'll consider soon. Next, using the same brush, we're going to go into Dreamer, which is the next shade over, and it's more of a deeper brown. And that's going to go on the outer crease. And a little onto the eyelid. And now, because that was a little bit more pigmented than I was going for, I had a little bit more on my brush, I'm going to be taking my Morphe brush and just blending that out. Alrighty, next we're going to go for a little bit more of a plummy look with Best Friend, which is the third on the second row. And this is the second darkest plum shade. So I'm going to take that blending brush and I'm going to rub this a little bit on the inner 2/3 of the lid. And again, I'm going to take that that fluffy Morphe brush and just blend that. Alrighty, and then we're going to be taking Natural Beauty, which is the next lightest shade, and it's also right next to it. It's the second shade in the second row. And we're going to take that on the blending brush and put that right in the middle of the eyelid, just to lighten it up. And we're going to bring that up through the crease. Again with the blending. Alrighty, and then we're going to be taking Super Mom, which is my favorite name of all of these, and it's the first in the last row. And I'm going to be popping that into my inner corner, just to lighten that up a bit too. Now this palette does have a little bit of fallout, but not as much as glittery shadows would. And now with more of a shading brush, or a liner brush actually, I'm going to be taking Bombshell, which is the darkest plummy shade, and running that along my lower lash line and up a little bit onto my upper lash line. And that gets a little bit of a faux liner look. And I'm going to be taking my big fluffy brush and I'm brushing off my cheeks. This is the Morphe G0, my favorite brush of them all, except for my highlighter brush. This thing is golden. It's from SL Miss Glam. I used it before I started this tutorial, and I got it in an Ipsy bag, and it is the most fantastic highlighting brush. Not sponsored at all. And it just like spreads it evenly and it picks up a lot of product. It's just fantastic. So now I'm going to go ahead and do my mascara. Alrighty, so this is the final look. I am crying a little bit because I stabbed myself in the eye with my mascara brush and it hurts, but this is it. So, hope you guys like it, hope it was easy to follow along with, and I hope you come back for more. Please subscribe, please like this video, and if you'd like, please leave a comment below. I really appreciate your feedback, so bye!